In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Whop membership. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently end a membership you no longer need. Make sure you're already logged into your Whop account in your browser before you start, so you don't get interrupted midway. First, head to your Whop Home dashboard. You can do this by going to the main Whop website and signing in, then you'll be taken to your home feed automatically. The home dashboard is your central hub on Whop, where you can see everything you're part of, including the memberships you've joined. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all your joined communities and products are visible. Once you're on the home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the left-hand column, you'll see a section labeled Joined. This section lists all the Whop communities, products, or memberships that your account is currently a member of. This is where you'll find the specific membership you want to cancel. Carefully scroll through that joined list and locate the Whop membership you want to cancel. If you're in multiple communities, you may need to scroll a bit to find the right one. So double check the name before you click it to avoid canceling the wrong membership. When you've found the correct one, click on it. This will open the page for that specific Whop, where you can see more details about your subscription. On this membership page, look for an option that allows you to manage or leave the membership. Here, you should see a button labeled Leave. This is the key action for canceling your membership. Before you click it, just be aware that leaving the Whop will typically remove your access to its content, tools, or community features at the end of your current billing period, depending on how the creator has set things up. When you're ready, click the Leave button. After clicking, Whop may ask you to confirm that you really want to leave, just to prevent accidental cancellations. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm your choice. Once you've done that, your cancellation is complete. It's a good idea to refresh the page and check the Joined section again to make sure that membership no longer appears there, which confirms